Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fry long bean with sambal. This recipe is for 4 servings. The ingredients needed are 180 grams of long bean, washed, 150 grams of pork shoulder, cut into thin slices, 6 tablespoons of homemade sambal paste, half of yellow onions, 2 red chilli, 150 ml of water, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half tablespoon of fish sauce. The full list of ingredients and recipe for sambal are in the See More link. Sprinkle half teaspoon of salt on the pork shoulder and rub to marinate. Sprinkle another quarter teaspoon of salt and marinate. Leave aside. Next, cut the long bean into 1.5 inches in length. I recommend washing the long bean first as they absorb more water after cutting. Once done, leave it aside. Heat the pan, add in all sambal paste, add in about 50 ml of water. Stir and mix until well combined. Add in pork shoulder, yellow onions, and chilies. Stir for about 40 seconds or until the sambal has coated the ingredients. Add in 50 ml of water and stir. Then add in sugar, fish sauce, and the balance of the salt. Stir and mix until well combined. Cover the pan and continue to cook for 10 minutes. Stir in between to prevent burning at the bottom of the pan. After 10 minutes, the pork shoulder should be cooked and the gravy has dried up. Add in the long beans. Stir for about 1.5 minutes or until the long beans have changed to darker green and is about half cooked. Add in 50 ml of water. Cover the pan and simmer for 2 more minutes. The long beans are cooked and the gravy has dried up. Give it a taste. It's delicious. At this stage, more seasoning can be added as preferred, but for this, it's already perfect. Switch off the heat. A simple and delicious stir-fry long bean with sambal is done. Let's dish out and serve. Let's eat. Wow, this is delicious. The pork shoulder is tender and tasty. The sambal is not too spicy and it goes so well with long beans. It will be so good with rice too. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye.